Parsley tea is associated with many impressive health benefits. Made by steeping fresh or dried parsley in a cup of hot water, it can supply several nutrients and antioxidants that are essential to health. Plus, it's easy to prepare, cost-effective, and delicious, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. Here are 5 surprising benefits of parsley tea. 1. High in antioxidants. Parsley is an excellent source of antioxidants, powerful compounds that help defend your cells against damage by potentially harmful molecules, known as free radicals. Antioxidants are thought to play a central role in health and disease, with some research indicating that they could protect against chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. According to one test tube study, parsley extract was able to prevent DNA damage and block the spread of cancer cells, mostly due to its antioxidant content. Parsley is a good source of flavonoids, carotenoids, ascorbic acid, and tocopherol. 2. Could help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard mineral deposits that form in your kidneys and cause severe, sharp pain in your back, side, and stomach. Some research suggests that parsley may aid in preventing kidney stones. One study found that treating rats with parsley helped increase urine volume, decrease urinary calcium excretion, and raise the acidity of urine. Parsley has also been shown to act as a natural diuretic, which can increase urination and prevent kidney stone formation. 3. Good source of vitamin C. Parsley is rich in vitamin C. In fact, a quarter cup, 15-gram serving provides nearly 20 milligrams of vitamin C, about 22% of the recommended daily value. Vitamin C is an important water-soluble vitamin that also acts as an antioxidant and plays an integral role in preventing disease. Some research suggests that it protects against infections such as pneumonia and the common cold. Vitamin C is necessary for wound healing, nutrient absorption, and bone formation as well. Thus, adding parsley or parsley tea to your diet may help you reach your vitamin C needs, keeping you healthy. 4. May have cancer-fighting properties. Parsley tea is loaded with antioxidants and cancer-fighting compounds. For example, apigenin, a flavonoid in parsley, has been shown to block the growth and spread of cancer cells in test tube studies. Luteolin is another flavonoid in parsley that may suppress tumor growth, thus aiding cancer prevention, according to some test tube studies. What's more, one test tube study found that parsley extract was able to prevent DNA damage and decrease the spread of breast cancer cells by 41%. 5. Could help regulate menstruation. Parsley tea is commonly used as a natural remedy to treat issues related to menstruation and hormone levels. In particular, it contains the compounds myristicin and apiole, which can influence estrogen production to help balance hormones. It's also thought to act as an emmenagogue, a substance that stimulates menstrual flow. For this reason, parsley tea is often found in formulations designed to support healthy menstruation and prevent the overproduction of milk for breastfeeding mothers.